Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you yet another example of a front clip. Today's feature is a 2025 Hyundai Sonata. This one lasted on our website about 5 hours. Customer found it right away, called immediately, and wanted it. I believe they're buying in color, so of course we were happy to take a close look. Make sure there were no major imperfections. We don't promise paint perfection, however, we will let you know if we find chips or scratches, dings, dents, hail damage, things of that nature. This one checks out to be absolutely gorgeous. As you can see with any of our front clips, we've got a bunch sitting here waiting for pickup. You get everything you see on the outside. So the hood, the fenders, the headlights, the front bumper, the grille. Underneath the rad, the condenser, cooling fans. We'll hop under there in a second. I'll show you exactly what you can expect. There is no dash, there is no airbag. Most of them come looking exactly like that. It's pretty pulled apart. So we'll get under the hood here and I'll show you what you can expect. So pretty standard is, like I had mentioned, all the cooling packs, the rad, the condenser, the fans. We also include the washer bottle and the overflow bottle. Motor mounts are not always there, but we don't inventory them, so if they are easy to leave behind, we will leave them behind. AC lines are there. Master cylinder is there. That's not always promised as well. The fuse box, that is part of the front clip. All the harness up front here, the splash shield and air cleaner, all of that stuff is bagged up in there. The lower splash shield is down there. It's sitting on a skid loosely. You can transport it like this. Usually have you strapped down through the shock tower. If we're freighting it, it's an entirely different game. It has a custom built, much larger setup. This is full width, as you can see. As it sits, weighs about 700 to 900 pounds, depending on which front it is. I'm not talking about this one in particular. So again, if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. I answer a lot of questions via email. JaredWeberBros@gmail.com. You can also find me on all of the social sites, Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube, of course. Just look up Jared at Weber Bros and you will find me. Thanks again for watching.